जन्नातुं कर्मनिष्ठेन च समधिगतं जत्तप ध्यान जोगीर वैरागी त्यागस्तस्तुतिभिरपि न जत कीर्तन चापि कैश्चित् गोविंद प्रेम भाजांगपि न च कलितं जद रहस्यं स्वयं च नाम्नैव प्रादुरासीद अवतरति परे जत नौमि गौरम। I pay my obeisance to that Gaura, who gives prema through chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Prior to advent of Gaura, it was not there. You understand? Prior to advent of Gaura, this prema was not there. Not there means is not manifested. Do you understand? In this world. It was there. It is eternal thing. It is always there. But prior to advent of Gaura, this prema has not come to this world. Understand my point? One should not think like that. The prema was something new. No. It is eternal thing. It is there. But in this world, it has not come. Prior to advent of Gaura. And people were doing the other sadhanas, some are karmis, you understand? Engaged in so many different types of karma, karmanistha. Some undergo severe types of penance, austerity. Yes, they cannot get prema. Karmis cannot get. Those who undergo this severe type of, they cannot get prema also. Dhyana, some meditation of yogis are there, they always do meditation. You understand? They do meditation. Meditation of what? What do they meditate? They meditate on Paramatma, isn't it? Paramatma is there in the heart. The meditation of yogis, they meditate on Paramatma, isn't it? They want to be with Paramatma, and Paramatma is always there in the heart. Yes, with Jivatma, isn't it? Paramatma is always there in your heart, in the heart of every living entity. Why are you meditating on a Paramatma? To live with the Paramatma? That is not question of brain. Do you understand? Those Brahmavadis want to, they undergo very severe type of this austerities, penance, to be one with the Brahma. There is no prema, question of. Only prema is related to Krishna. Krishna prema. This word bhakti, we say, where will it be applicable? Do you know? When this word bhakti is applicable? Only with Krishna. Not with Brahma or Paramatma. You understand? It's Krishna bhakti. You understand? No other bhakti. The bhakti word is only applicable to Krishna. It cannot be applicable to any other words. This bhakti is pure bhakti, is prema bhakti. Do you understand? It's prema bhakti. Because with this prema bhakti only Krishna is available. You cannot get Krishna through other means or other sadhana. Do you follow? Only through prema bhakti, pure bhakti is prema bhakti, you can get Krishna. Then your life, human birth will be successful. Do you understand? Acharyavan. So have this prema. Krishna is the only subject matter or object of prema. Best. No, nobody else. Brahma is the, what do you say, object of jnana, subject of jnana. Paramatma is a partial manifestation of the Lord. Is always in the heart of the living entity, the Atma. But Krishna is the only to be served, sevya vastu, neither Brahma nor Paramatma. And this Sevya, Seva, love, service is loving service. That the question of love is there. And Mahaprabhu gives that love.